The water pump market is evolving fast, with millions of vehicles relying on either mechanical or electric pumps to stay cool and perform at their best. Mechanical water pumps still dominate much of the car park. However, as OEMs continue to incorporate start-stop systems, hybrids, and electric drivetrains, electric water pumps, or EWPs, have gained ground and present real service opportunities for the aftermarket. When looking for a quality supplier, it's important to verify the pump is thoroughly tested. You also want to confirm the pump meets OE fit, form, and function, so look for those suppliers that work with OEMs. Finally, ensure high-quality materials are used since water pumps are exposed to highly corrosive environments. You want a pump that will last. Dayco offers a full line of water pumps for millions of vehicles, all backed by industry-best warranties so repair shops can have confidence in what they're installing. Today, we're going to take a closer look at their line of electric water pumps. Dayco's electric pumps are direct fit, bolt-on replacements, so no modifications are needed during installation. They feature self-lubricating, corrosion-resistant bearings compatible with all engine coolants and tapered motor brushes for faster break-in. They're also designed with high-strength seals for leak prevention. Now, let's talk through 4 installation best practices, as there are some common mistakes that can happen during EWP replacement. First, remind your shop customers to flush the system completely to remove any residual contamination, as well as use a 50-50 mix of the correct coolant and distilled water. Second, remind customers that reusing old seals or gaskets can lead to leaks, and offer to add on new gaskets and seals if they're doing a water pump replacement. Third, it's a perfect time to ask a shop if they need a belt, tensioner, and pulley when replacing the pump. A systems approach is best since components perform better when they are replaced at the same time. And fourth, mention to shops that voltage checks are critical when installing electric pumps. Voltage and grounding should be checked before and after. Nothing will kill a brand new pump faster than low voltage. Need more water pump tips or information? Visit Dayco's Tech Hub for expert videos and insights from ASE certified techs and product specialists.